Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and doing good. So welcome to our third video, case study. If you haven't watched the previous videos, then watch them before for the better understanding. In our previous videos, we talked about origin of coronavirus. Now further we will talk about which countries were worst damaged by this pandemic, corona. In our list, first country we have US. Let's begin with case study of USA. As we all know, USA is a well-developed country. The first patient of coronavirus in US found on January 19, 2020, who was a 35-year-old man and who had recently come from China and had mild fever and cough. So you can say that China is the cause of origin of corona in USA. He was kept in an observation for some time, and on January 20, CDC confirmed that the patient's nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swabs are tested positive for COVID-19 infection by RT-PCR testing technique. Is a technique used for testing corona. On admission, patient reported persistent dry cough and 2 days history of nausea and vomiting. He also reported that he don't have any shortness of breath and chest pain and recovered easily from corona. But the first patient who had not traveled outside the country in country USA found with infection of COVID-19 in Washington state on Feb 25. 2 days before, authorities in California reported a woman who had not traveled outside the country and who had not a non-contact with people who returned to US and infected with the virus. Now reports of some analysis and officials from US suggest that the person who had been detected positive for COVID-19 infection had infected a couple of more people, and those cases had been undetected for at least 6 weeks. And this was a major reason of spread of coronavirus in US. And now situation go out of control. Another major reason which experts believe of major spread of corona in US is continuous selling of meat and some non-vegetarian products, which are common and regular eating items in US. The plant of processing of these things was some of the major sites from where corona starts spreading its course. The loss of life in USA. 5.84 lakhs is the total death that have occurred due to coronavirus in USA. Now pandemic claimed more than 3 times American lives lost in Vietnam War. The US economy. The economic crisis is unprecedented in its scale, and pandemic created demand shock, supply shock and financial shock all at once. Small business revenue down 20% since January. New business formation fell off in spring but on track to outpace recent years. The unemployment rate increased from 3.5% in February to 14.7% in April, representing a decline of more than 25 million people employed plus 8 million people that exited labor force. The number of labor force participants not at work quadrupled from January to April. The number of people not in labor force who want a job spiked by 4.5 million in April and remained elevated. In April 2020, the US personal saving rate reaches its highest recorded level. Low-income families with children were more likely to experience income shocks. In 24 states, more than 1 in 5 households were on rent and was not able to pay rent on time. From 2018 to mid-2020, the rate of food insecurity doubled for thousands with children. It is a good news that USA is recovering from corona. President come out without mask, indicating and giving message that now USA is free from corona. In the US, high vaccination rate, decline in new cases, increase in consumer and business confidence, and far-reaching effect of fiscal and monetary expansion will drive a robust recovery this year. But if you are living in a country where corona is still active, be safe. We hope more countries will recover quickly. When this video is making, there are 33,898,216 cases. Hopefully 27,502,336 got recovered. 604,113 deaths. Share this video with your family, friends for more awareness and knowledge. We will meet you in our next video. Till then, be safe and help others. And please subscribe the channel. We will donate all the revenue coming from these videos. Thank you.